Hello students, welcome to my channel Vishit Academy. So this is the continuation of my previous video, right? And in this video also I will be solving a few very important problems from your textbook on topics like transpose of matrix, skew symmetric matrix, symmetric matrix, and trace of matrix, and also matrix multiplication, right? So watch this video till the end. Okay, so now we'll start with our next problem number 7. Right, here he gave a matrix A and he is asking us to find the value of a power 4, right? So see here, so a power 4 means this can be written as a square into a square, isn't it? So what I'll do first, I'll find the value of a square, right? So how to find a square? A square means what? A into a, isn't it? So I'll do matrix multiplication. So this is of order 3 cross 3, isn't it? 3 0 0 0 3 0 and 0 0 3. Okay, cross same 3 0 0 0 3 0 and 0 0 3. Okay, chalo now we'll do a cross a. So how to multiply this? I have already explained about multiplication in my previous videos. So if you are not watched those videos, please first go and watch those videos. Then you can continue with this, right? So anyhow, I will be explaining in this also. See, first we should take the first row elements and should multiply with the first column elements. That then you will get the first element. Okay. Now before that you should check the order of these matrices. See, the order of this matrix is 3 cross 3 and this matrix is also 3 cross 3. So when is it possible to do multiplication on any two matrices? See, the first matrices column should be, number of columns should be equal to the second matrices number of rows. See, first matrices number of columns are 3, right? And the second matrices number of rows are 3. So both are equal. Therefore, multiplication is possible, right? So now we can multiply. See, so 3 into 3. This first element we should multiply with this first element. 3 into 3 means how you will get 3 into 3 is 9. Then plus 0 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 0 is also 0, right? So this is my first element. Similarly, how to find this second element here? Same, this you should fix this row and multiply now with the second column elements, right? So 3 into 0 is 0 plus then 0 into 3 is 0 plus 0 into 0 is 0. Okay. Now how to get my third element means same. Fix this row and multiply with the last column, right? So 3 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 3 is also 0. Okay, right, now I got the first row elements, first element, second element and third element. Now how to find all these second row elements means, now we should fix this second row elements and multiply with this column elements, right? Right, so first 0 into 3 is 0 plus 3 into 0 is 0. So 0 into 0 is also 0 plus 0, right? Now 0 into 3 is 0 plus, see here, 3 into 3 is 9 plus 0 into 0 is again 0. Now same row with third column, 0 into 0 is 0 plus 3 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 3 is also 0. Okay. Now last third row I should multiply with these three columns, right? So first 0 into 3 is 0 plus 0 into 0 is 0 plus 3 into 0 is 0. Similarly here also 0, again 0 plus again 0. Last 0 zeros are 0 plus 0 plus, see, last term will get 3 3s are 9. So what is the answer of A cross A? A into A is 9, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 9. So this is the answer of A into A, that is equal to A square, right? Okay, now I got the value of A square. This A square I should multiply again with the same A square, right? Then I will get the A power 4, right? So now what I will do, I will multiply this A square with again same A square. Okay, so what is A square value I got here? 9, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0 and 0, 0, 9 multiplied by again same A square, 9, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0 and 0, 0, 9. So what I will get here? Same story. Again we should multiply this complete row with this columns, right? So 9 nines are 81 plus 0 plus 0, right? 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0. Second, same, to get the second element, fix this first row and we should multiply with this second column. So again you get 0 plus 0 plus 0, right? 0 nines are 9 0 0, 0 times are 0, 0 0 0. Third, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Similarly, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Here if you observe, second column, second was this 0 plus 9 nines are 81 plus 0. And third one also you get all zeros, right? Same way you can multiply this. Here also you get all zeros, right? But on second column if you observe 0 plus, this is also 0 plus 0. Third, 0 plus 0, 9 nines are, you get 81 here. So the final answer would be 81 0 0 0 81 0 and 0 0 81. So this would be the final answer of A power 4. Okay, right? Now we'll see the next problem, that is problem number 8. So this is based on a new topic called trace of matrix. Okay, so what is trace of matrix means? See, simply the sum of the diagonal elements of any square matrix is called trace of matrix. Means what? Here I will show you one example. Suppose this is my matrix A. A, B, C, D are the elements of this matrix, square matrix. First of all, this should be a square matrix, right? So this is a square matrix of order 2 cross 2, right? So what is trace of matrix means? Simply if you add these diagonal elements, you will get the trace of matrix, right? So what is trace of matrix A means? Simply add the principal diagonal values. A plus D is my answer. Okay? Isn't it easy? Yes. Chalo. Now we will try to solve this, your textbook problem now. Right? So here he gave, find the trace of this matrix. See, what is the given matrix here? We'll name it. Let this be A. Okay? Now we'll write all the elements of those matrix. 1, 3, minus 5, and then comes 2, minus 1, 5, last 2, 0, 1. Okay. Now what is trace of matrix A? Just now I said now. What is trace means? Simply add the diagonal elements. So what are the diagonal elements here? 1, chalo, plus, so minus 1, again plus 1, isn't it? 1 minus 1 plus 1. If you add these, what you will get? You will get 1. So this is the trace of any given matrix. Okay, chalo, now we'll do the next problem. So this is also based on new topic called transpose of a matrix. Okay, so what is transpose of matrix means? Simply changing the row elements to column elements. Example I'll explain. See, suppose I'm having one matrix called A, right? A, B, C, D are the elements of that matrix. Then transpose of matrix is denoted by A power T, or simply we'll write A dash. What happens? A transpose means, just now I said, the row elements will get transposed to columns, means AB is my first row elements, that will change to my first column elements, AB. Similarly, second row elements will be changed to second column elements. This will become CD. Right? This is nothing but the transpose of a given matrix. Okay? Is it clear for you? If you have really understood what I am explaining, then please press the like button. And please, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe. Now we will do one problem based on your transpose of a matrix from your textbook. So problem number 9. See, here he gave two matrices A and B, and he is asking us to find A plus B transpose. Right? So what he is asking us to find? Solution. See, A plus B transpose he is saying. Right? So first we need to find B transpose, then we'll do addition. Already we did it's simple addition of two matrices we did in my previous video. If you have any doubts, you go and watch that video first, right? So first we'll do B transpose. So B transpose means what? What is the matrix of B here? B matrix is 1, 2, then 4, 3, and last row is -1 and 5. Transpose of this matrix. So what I'll get? Transpose means what I said. This row elements will become my column elements. So 1, 2. Similarly, second row elements will become second column elements, right? 4, 3. Right, and last row elements will become the last column elements, -1 and 5. So this is the transpose of B. Order of this matrix was 3 rows, 2 columns. After transpose, what happened? The order has changed. It has become 2 rows and 3 columns. Now, what I should do? I should add this B transpose to A. So now I'll find A plus B transpose. Okay. Chalo, we'll write first A matrix here. What is A matrix here? 2, 1, 0 first row, 3, 4, 0 plus my second matrix is, sorry, B transpose. What is B transpose here? 1, 4, -1, 2, 3, 5. See, for addition of two matrices, their order should be same, then only we can add here, right? So order of this matrix is 2 rows, 3 columns, 2 rows, 3 columns. Similarly, this is also 2 rows, 3 columns, right? Then only addition is possible, right? How do we add? Very simple. Already we did it. Simply corresponding elements we should add. 2 plus 1, 1 plus 4, 0 plus -1, similarly 3, 2, right? So I think this one you can easily solve it, right? So anyhow, here I will solve. So first value will be 2 plus 1 is 3. Right? Similarly, second element with second element. 1 plus 4 is 5. Last, 0 plus -1 is -1 itself. Right? So here 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. Similarly, 0 plus 5 is 5. That's it. Okay, this is the value of A plus B transpose. right? We'll do the next problem based on this transpose itself. Okay, so here if you read this problem number 10, here he gave two matrices A and B, then he is asking us to show that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So this property is also important. You should remember this, that A plus B whole transpose, that will be equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, means what? After adding A and B, if I do the transpose, that will be equal to, individually if I do the transpose and add those two, that is also equal to this. Okay, so first we'll do the left hand side. Okay, what is left hand side here first? So first what we'll do, we'll add this A plus B. So how to add? That's very simple. So what is the value of A plus B means what you will do? Directly I am writing here. Okay. So first element of A should be added to first element of B. Isn't it? First of all, the orders are same. If you observe, 2 rows, 3 columns, 2 cross 3, and B matrix is also 2 cross 3. So we can add this. So first value 1 plus 3. How much? 1 plus 3 is 4. Similarly, 4 plus 4 is 8. Similarly, 7 plus 0 is 7. Next, 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 plus 5 minus 2 is 3. Similarly, 8 minus 1 is 7. So this is the value of A plus B. Now what I should find? Transpose of this value. Right? So A plus B whole transpose equal to, how much I get here? See, my row element will become column element. So first row element will become first column. So how should I write? 8, 4, 8, 7. Similarly, second row elements will become second column elements. So 6, 3, 7. Okay. So this is the value of A plus B whole transpose. Right. So now we'll solve the right hand side part. So what is there in the right hand side part? First we should find A transpose. Okay. So what is A value here? A value is 1. Directly I am writing here A transpose. Okay. So transpose means what? This row value will become my column value. Right. So 4, 7. Similarly, second column that is 2, 5, 8. So this is my A transpose value. Okay. Next is B transpose. Similarly, B transpose. 3, 4, 0. Right. Similarly, 4 minus 2 minus 1. Isn't it? This is my B transpose value. Now what I should do? I should simply add these two. So A transpose plus B transpose, that is equal to, chalo. Now we'll add this. 1 plus 3 is 4. Similarly, 2 plus 4 is 6. Here 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 plus 0 is 7. So 8 minus 1 is 7. Right? So this is my RHS. See, if you observe, I got the same values. Right? So therefore, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose is proved. Okay? We have proved this. Now we'll do the next problem based on transpose itself, but also here we'll be doing multiplication, right? So problem number 11, here also they gave two matrices. Okay, now he is asking us to verify whether AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. This is also important identity, you should remember this. AB whole transpose will be equal to B transpose into A transpose. Chalo, now we'll do the left hand side first. So what is AB transpose, right? First we'll find A into B. Then after finding finding that the resultant matrix, for that we'll do transpose, right? So what is A? Here I'll write those two matrices, 2 minus 1 2 and 1 3 minus 4. This is the matrix A cross. What is matrix B here? 1 minus 2 minus 3 0 and 5 4. So order of this matrix A is 2 rows 3 columns, here 3 rows 2 columns. See, first we should check whether it is possible or not. First matrix's number of columns should be equal to second matrix's number of rows. If it is equal, then it is possible. Here 3 is equal to 3, therefore it is possible. Chalo, now we will do the multiplication. Same story, same kahani, right? Chalo, we will repeat it. See, first fix this row and multiply with these both columns. Okay. See, before that, then what is the resultant matrix after multiplying? What will be the result of this matrix? Means the remaining parts, this 2 and this 2, means we will get the answer 2 cross 2 matrices. Okay. Chalo, let's see. Let's see. So 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 into 1 is 2 minus into minus, this will become plus 1 3 is 3. Okay, plus 3. Similarly, 2 into 5 is 10. Right, now second element, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 1 into 0 is 0 only. 2 into 4 is plus 8. Okay. Now, second row. Now we will fix this second row and multiply with these columns, right? So 1 into 1 it will become 1. So then 3 into 3 is 9. Plus 3 into minus 3 you will get plus into minus is minus. 3 3s are 9. Then last minus 4 into 5, that is minus 20. 5 4s are 20. Right? Then comes 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 3 into 0 is 0. Minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. Okay. So now we'll simplify and write the answer. See, 15. Right here, plus 8 minus 4. So one is having plus sign, the other one is having minus sign. In addition, what we'll get? We should subtract, right? So what we'll get? 4 plus 4. Why plus 4 means bigger number sign. Always remember this. Okay. Now similarly, here how much you'll get? Minus, first you should add these minus signs. 29 minus 1 is 28. Minus 28. Okay. Similarly, here also you will get minus 18. Both have same signs. Therefore, we should add minus 2 and minus 16. Total minus 18. Right. So this is the value of A, B. That is A into B. Now we will find transpose of this. Whole transpose means transpose of this matrix. So what is the final answer? Transpose of this means this rows will become my columns. That is 15, 4. Second row minus 28 minus 18. Minus 28 and minus 18. This is the my final answer of AB whole transpose. Okay. Now we will find the RHS side. So RHS side, first we should find B transpose. So what is B here? B is equal to matrix B is 1 minus 2 minus 3 and 0, then 5 4. This is the matrix B. We will find transpose of this. Transpose means rows will become columns, right? So this will become 1 minus 2 minus 3 0 5 4. So this is the B transpose value. Similarly, we will find A transpose value. What is A matrix? 2 minus 1 2 and 1 3 minus 4. Transpose means what happens? This row will become column. 2 minus 1 2 and 1 3 minus 4, right? So this is the A transpose. Now I should multiply these two, isn't it? So B transpose into A transpose. Okay. So first you check the order. Order of matrix B is 2 rows, 3 columns. Then order of A transpose matrix is 3 rows, 2 columns. See, the number of columns of first matrix should be equal to number of rows of second matrix, sorry. So since these two are equal, multiplication is possible. Chalo, now we'll multiply. So first row should be fixed and we should multiply this column. So 1 into 2 is 2 minus into minus plus 3 into 1 is plus 3. Okay. Now third element 5 into 2 is 10. Right. Now same thing with this second column. So 1 into 1 is 1 minus 3 3s are 9. I should keep minus sign. Why? Because minus into plus is minus only. Right. So again last 5 into 4, say plus minus, it will become minus 5 4s is 20. Similarly now second row you should fix and I should multiply with this column elements. So minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So 0 into 1 is again 0. Here 4 2s is plus 8. Now same thing, minus 2 1 is minus 2. 0 into 3 is again 0. So 4 4 is minus 16. Chalo, now we'll add this. What I'll get here, first one is 15. Here 29 minus 1 is 28. Minus 28, bigger sign. So minus 4 plus 8 is again plus 4. Here minus 18. Right, if you observe, both values are same. Therefore, this is true. Right. Therefore, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. You should remember this. Right. Finish. So next. Now we will do the next problem. Problem number 12. This is also based on transpose of matrix. Right. So here also he gave two matrices A and B. Then we should find A into B transpose and whole transpose. Okay. So what we should find? Solution. See, we should find A into B transpose, then again whole transpose. So first we will solve inside the bracket values. Okay. So what I will do, first I will find B transpose value. Okay. So B transpose means, what is the matrix B here? B matrix is minus 1, 1, 0 and 0, 1, minus 2. This is my matrix B. For this I should find transpose. So what happens if I find transpose means my row elements will become column elements. So minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 2. Isn't it? Chalo. Finished. This is my B transpose. Now what I should do? I should multiply that with A. Means A into B transpose. Chalo, we'll write those two matrices here. So A is 2, 0, 1 and minus 1, 1, 5. This is my matrix A. And what about B? B is minus 1, sorry, B transpose I should write, right? So minus 1, 1, 0 and 0, 1, minus 2. This is the matrix B. So first we should check the condition whether matrix multiplication is possible or not. First matrix order is 2 rows, 3 columns. Here second matrix B matrix order is 3 rows, 2 columns. So what I should check? The first matrix column element should be equal to second matrix row elements. So here it is same, right? So therefore multiplication is possible. Chalo, now we will solve multiplication. Same, again fix this first row and multiply with these 2 columns. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 0, again plus 0. Similarly 2 into 0 is 0 plus 0 minus 2, right? Similarly now second row, same thing we should do. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, 1 into 5 is again plus 1, 5 into 0 is 0, again with second column 0, 1 is 1, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Chalo. So what is the value I'll get here? Minus 2, here it will be again minus 2, this will become 2 and this will become 9, minus 9, isn't it? Plus 1 minus 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, so sign, bigger value sign we should keep, right? So this is the value of AB transpose, right? Now we should find AB transpose whole transpose, means see this is the value of AB transpose. For this I should find the transpose, okay? Chalo, we'll find that. Minus 2, minus 2, 2, minus 9. This is my value of AB transpose. For this I should find transpose. Means what? My row elements will become column elements. Minus 2, minus 2. Right, this will become 2 minus 9. So this is the final answer. Okay. Now we do the next problem, that is problem number 13. Right. So here also we give two matrices and is asking us to find 2A plus B transpose and B 3 into B transpose minus A. Okay. So this is also important problem from your textbook, right? So what? First we should find 2A plus B transpose, right? Then we'll find the next bit. So first we'll find 2 into A. This is scalar multiplication. In my first video I explained you how to do scalar multiplication, right? So please, that is the reason why I am asking you to please, those who have not watched my introduction video, please watch that video, then it will be easier for you to understand this, right? So anyhow, so in this video I will be explaining you how to do scalar multiplication, right? So first 2 into A. 2 into A means what? Matrix A. So minus 2, 5 and minus 1, 1, 0, 4. Right? This you should multiply. Means this scalar element you should multiply with each of the element present in the A. So 2 into 2 is how much you'll get? So answer of this is minus 4, 10 and minus 2. Similarly 2, 0, 8. Okay, so this is the 2A value. Then I should add this with B transpose. First we'll find the B transpose matrix. So B transpose means what? What is the B matrix here? Minus 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. This is my matrix B. For this I should find transpose. So what I'll get answer here? Transpose means what? Rows will be changed into columns, right? So minus 2, 3, 1 and this will become 4, 0, 2. So this is the transpose. Now I should add these two. That's it. 2A plus B transpose means, okay, plus what is B transpose? See here I got the values minus 2, 4, 3, 0 and 1, 2. Right? So simply we should add. How do we add? Addition means simply corresponding elements. First element with first element. What is the final answer we'll get here? 2A plus B transpose means simply we should add the corresponding values. Minus 4 plus minus 2 is total minus 6. Both have negative signs. In addition, we should add these two and we should keep sign negative only. Right? Similarly, 2 plus 4 is plus 6. Here 10 plus 3 is 13. Here 0 plus 0 is 0. And minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Here 8 plus 2 is 10. So this is my final answer. Okay? Isn't it easy? Those who is watching, please press on like button if you really like this video. And if you are new to this video, please subscribe and don't forget to press bell button so that I am planning to do videos complete all chapters of intermediate first year. So please press the bell button that you will get the future notification. So whenever I upload the videos, right? Okay students, see here, there is one more bit of similar types, therefore I am not solving this. This one I want to give you as a homework to you. So you please complete this and write the answer in comment box. I'll check that answer, right? आप लोग మీరు కూడా కొంచెం వర్క్ చేయాలి కదా. You should also do some work, right? So please solve this, and if you have doubts, you can write comments to me, right? Okay then. Now we will do the next problem. See here, the next problem is same. Here he gave one matrix and he is asking us to find A plus A whole transpose and also A into A transpose. These two values we should find. This is also important problem from your textbook. So chalo, now we will try to solve this problem. So first one is he is saying A plus A transpose. Right? So how do we find this? This is very simple. First we should find A transpose. A transpose means what? So transpose of A, that is, first we'll write matrix A. For this we'll find transpose. Means my row will become column, this will become minus 2 and 4. And this will become minus 5 and 3. So this is the A transpose. Now I should add with A. So A plus A transpose. So first value, see, corresponding elements. This minus 2 plus minus 2 total, it will become minus 4. Similarly, minus 4 and minus 5 total become minus 9. So here also minus 5 and minus 4 is total minus 9. So here is 3 plus 3 is plus 6. So this is my answer. That's it. Chalo, chala simple, isn't it very simple? Right? Okay, then we'll try the next one. So next bit is A into A transpose. Now we should do multiplication. Already we did this A transpose value, that is minus 2. So this is the A transpose value. So here directly I'll substitute that. First I'll write A matrix here. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 5 and 3 multiplied with which one? A transpose. A transpose how much? Minus 2, minus 5, minus 4 and 3. Chalo. First we'll check the condition. This is also 2 cross 2. This is also 2 cross 2. Number of columns here equal to number of rows. Yes, 2 equal, then multiplication is possible. Chalo, start. Same story again and again. Same. Block this, fix this and multiply these columns. So minus 2 into minus 2 is minus. So minus into minus it will become plus. 2 2s is 4. Same. 4 into 4. Minus into minus is plus. 4 4s are 16. Now with second column. Minus 5 into minus 2 is 10. So minus into plus is minus. 4 into 3 is 12. Okay. Chalo, now second row we'll fix and multiply with the columns. So minus 5 into minus 2 is minus into minus plus 10. 5, 3 plus 3 4 are 12 minus 12. Here 5 5s are plus 25, minus into minus is plus 3 3s are plus 9. Chalo. So what is the final answer? 20 minus 2, this will become minus 2, and here 34. So this is my final answer. Okay students, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching my video, and please, if you like this video, press the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And more importantly, if you have any doubts, please do write comments, right? So in my next coming videos, I will be uploading all 7 marks important question from your textbook, right?